can't play PUBG Battlegrounds on your PC because of these some installed game files are corrupt error? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this error and get back into the game. So without further ado, let's jump right into the solution. First of all, open Steam on your computer. Then go to your library. Next, right-click on PUBG Battlegrounds and click on Properties from the pop-up menu. Now, click on Install Files from the left side menu. Then click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files button from here. Now, Steam will verify and repair any corrupt files it finds. After that, the error should be gone. If not, try verifying at least 3 times and then the error will be gone. So guys, that's how you fix the some installed game files a corrupt error in PUBG Battlegrounds on your PC. If the video helped you with the error, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.